How to fix common error in TikTok. To fix common error in TikTok, you could start by cleaning the app cache and ensuring both the app and your device operating systems are updated to the latest version. First of all, let's go ahead and check the cache. So open up settings on your device, locate app from the list, go to TikTok and click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. So this way as well, you should be able to solve. Next, what you could do is check your internet connection as well. Sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity. Open up settings, go to network and internet, click on internet from the list. Make sure to turn off or maybe turn it off for 20 seconds and then restart it. That should also be able to fix. If not, try switching to a cellular data or a Wi-Fi. Do the vice versa thing. That might be able to solve your issue. Moving on, if the issue still persists on, you could try checking for an update. Sometimes it could also be due to the outdated version. Open up your respective app store, type in TikTok on the search bar, and make sure to update the app to the latest version. After you're done updating the app and despite all this nothing works out, you could simply restart your device and then you could also uninstall TikTok or reinstall it. That should definitely help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix common error in TikTok. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.